Flow state, the focused and productive times. Are you feeling bored, doubtful, or anxious at work? Have you ever thought, why is this happening? Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi is one of the founders of positive psychology and was one of the first to identify and research about the flow state. He once said, "The best moments in our lives are not the passive, receptive, relaxing times. The best moments usually occur if a person's body or mind is stretched to its limits in a voluntary effort to accomplish something difficult and worthwhile." Now, you might be wondering, what is this so-called flow state? Let's try to simplify the definition of flow state. It happens when your skill level is high, but you don't have enough challenges. You will feel nostalgic or bored. When the challenges are high and you don't have enough skills to do that, you'll feel doubtful or anxious. When the skill levels and challenges are low, you will feel apathy or lack of interest. When your skills and challenges match, then you will be in the state of flow. Studies suggest that the state of flow is enjoyable when you flow together as a team. For the team to be in a flow state, every individual must be in the flow state. This occurs when team members can immerse together in an interdependent task that all the members are satisfied with. Some key points to achieve a flow state are: set clear and immediate goals at every stage. Receive clear and immediate feedback. No agony over failure. Have a balance of skills and challenges. Have control over the situation and have no fear of failure. Create intense and focused concentration. Ensure the work itself is intrinsically rewarding. Clear communication, both verbal and nonverbal. The process is what's enjoyable, not the result. Flow is often explained as a positive experience, but consistently, being in the state of flow could lead to a state of stress because once in flow, unknowingly, a person easily gives everything of their capacity. Teams, leads, and individuals have to understand and learn the fact that promises cannot always be kept, and that is natural, and it's not because of poor planning or intentional. I would like to know if your team ever worked in flow. What did you notice? What were the results? Please leave your feedback in the comments section. Thanks for listening to this. I hope it was useful. If you want to read more about this, then I have given the link to the article along with the description. If you like this content, then please click the like and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Thank you.